Let's firstly talk about the general specifications of Samsung Galaxy J7 Edge. Operating system will be Android 8.0, Oreo. And it will be available in 3 colors: black, gold, pink. Secondly, let's talk about the display of Samsung Galaxy J7 Edge. 5.7 inches edge-to-edge Super AMOLED Quad HD display. Pixel density 401 pixels per inch. And some sensors are accelerometer, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. Thirdly, let's talk about the processor and the RAM of Samsung Galaxy J7 Edge. Processor is going to be 2.1 GHz octa-core Exynos 7878, whereas the RAM will be 4 GB. And fourthly, let's talk about the camera of Samsung Galaxy J7 Edge. Rear camera will be dual cameras of B16 megapixel, and front camera will have 13 megapixel, with dual-tone LED flash. Fifth, we will talk about storage of Samsung Galaxy J7 Edge. The internally available storage will be 64 GB, and is expandable up to 256 GB with micro SD card. Sixth, at last we shall get you noticed about the battery. The battery is 3900 mAh non-removable. Moving forward now we shall discuss the price and release date of Samsung Galaxy J7 Edge. The expected price is $410, that is 25,000 Indian rupees. And the release date shall be around October 2018. And finally we shall talk about the overall score and alternatives for Samsung Galaxy J7 Edge. Overall score from Smartphone Pedia will be 8 out of 10. And the best alternative for Samsung Galaxy J7 Edge is ON+5. Well, I hope you found the information valuable. So, please do a return favor by clicking the like button and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching Samsung Galaxy J7 Edge specifications and price.